We are really glad to host here in presence our friends from Bertois, from Cameroon, that in spite all distances, all lockdown and other measures, have been able to be here. And I would like to invite our friend Paul Hélène Gbaman Dagowa here for presenting the cultural storytelling of the region of Bertois in Cameroon. Dear Paul Hélène, welcome again, and let me again express our appreciation for all the efforts that you have done to be here. And so the floor is yours. I invite the technical staff to display the presentation of Alain. And excellent. So the floor is yours, dear Alain.
Thank you, Mr. Simone. Thank you to all of you. It is a very great pleasure for me to be here today. I'm not alone. I am with my secretary, Mrs. Gael, who is also the member of our King group of dance, warriors dancers. She's the member. So I will present you today the cultural expression of Baya people of Bertois, Cameroon. I will begin by presenting the town. It's a town of 1,500,000 inhabitants situated in the East Cameroon, from 350 kilometers from Yaoundé, the capital of the country. Bertois was created in 29th century by Baya warriors from the current Central African Republic. Bertois was originally a kingdom ruled by king called Mbartois, killed in 1903 following a clash with the German colonial army. In our town, the tourism is not yet very developed, and the municipality is developing strategy for tourism to grow. This is the map of this region of Africa, Central Africa. You can see town of Bertois in the east region of the Cameroon. You can see other many towns. The main towns like Yaoundé, who is the political capital, and Douala, who is the economical capital. And you can see the country near the Cameroon, like Central Republic and Nigeria, Guinea Equatorial, and so on. The history of Baya people. The Baya are a group of Bantu that are found in several African countries like Sudan, Congo-Kinshasa, Congo-Brazzaville, Central African Republic, Nigeria, Liberia, and Cameroon. This presence is due to a tribal war escape and the conquest of the new land. As for the meaning of the name Baya, several versions are heard, but we will stop on the one given by our superior chief, who called Aibangari, from whom the term Baya means bones. It is not easy to chew. Today, the Baya of Cameroon are divided between the Eastern and Adamawa region. The indigenous Baya population is about 200,000 in the town of Bertois and its surrounding. The bird in Baya people, as in any community, birds are always greeted with great favor. This is synonymous with virility and perpetuation of the family lineage. But when this bird is twin, it causes fear in the community because of urban legends. This is the reason why twins and their parents are subject to certain esoteric rites under the guidance of a godmother. The dowry in our community of a girl among the Baya depends on several factors, such as the origin of the mother and many other considerations. But for some girls considered Zongaderi is our language, we call virgin girl, the suitor must present himself with a basket of 12 chickens, a pack of needles, a spear, a bag of salt, a large pot, red wine, and large water bowl. Previously, it was the family that chose the woman for the man. Today, it's no longer the case. Marriage among the Baya is not considered as a trivial event. Beyond the festive character, it is a symbol for the community. This is the reason why a Baya man can marry in the monogamous regime or in polygamous regime. But those who opt for the second regime, they are highly respected in the community because it symbolizes wealth and power. Food and religion. Food in the culinary field, they consume a variety of food that are part of their traditional menu. Among other, what we call it is the cassava leaf, and it is called bol in French. We have also cocoa, bush meat with a tongue ndonge, that is to say composed of salt and chili, with cassava couscous and the main complement. Religiously, the Baya are historical and animist people, but during their migration, they were influenced by Islam for those who live in the northern area and by Christianity for those who live in the east. But although belonging to his two religions, they practice from time to time their original religion, which is animism. Also, that is a picture of a meat I call from embol. You can see we eat it with our fingers, and it's originally like that. That is a picture of a finished meat cook. In Betua also, we have a local drink, and the local liquor called Arki has been made and consumed by the Baya people for decades in eastern Cameroon. It is produced in an artisanal way, usually from palm wine, corn, sugar, or plantain bananas. These ingredients ferment first for several days, then the mixture is distilled which make it possible to obtain a drink containing about 50 degrees of alcohol. The production of Arki is not regulated, and its quality is therefore very uncertain. Consumers are regularly intoxicated after consuming it, although death remains rare. This is how to make a local liquor. You can see it's very, very artisanal, very traditional. Traditional dance. Among the Baya, the labi is the dance during major ceremony. Beyond the cadence, it is a part of rite that prepare young people for adult life. It is also an above all the dance of the initiate. During its execution, the news are called upon to bring some people into trance, and through the incantation say the mysterious words. it is also a dance in which neither women nor children nor the initiate have the right to attend, otherwise they are struck by a curse. There are also other dances such as Tirtambartois, which is the dance of the king warriors, and this guy is a member of this dance, and also the Conge. I will show you some picture of the dancer, and in your right is this guy in front of you. So I think it's the end of my presentation. I thank you for your kindly attention. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.